Welcome back. Now, if you are working with a specific template and customizing it, one of the things that the Pro account allows you to do is to resize that template inside of the design area. And you're going to see that here in this area. You're just going to click Resize. You can choose the way in which you want it to be resized if you know the exact dimensions, or you can write in a custom size. If you want the resize done according to some other measure other than pixels, you can do that here in this area. For example, we can hit the resize button here, and we can choose to make this so that it will be a square image. So we're going to select square. What we're going to do is copy and resize. Copying this makes all of the changes available to us in another document in case we don't like the resizing. So we're going to click copy and resize. That's going to give us a new document for us to work with. What we're then going to want to do is to save that new document. And it's from here that we can output the new design where we want it to be. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.